Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, please like and subscribe to my channel. In today's tutorial, we shall be making an Ankara Beret hat. So for that, I need an Ankara fabric, my measuring tape, my scissors and my chalk. So now let's begin. I will fold my Ankara. Actually, this is about 2 yards of Ankara. You can make dough of 1 yard. 1 yard will surely be enough. So I'll fold part of the Ankara to the wrong side of the material. As you can see, I'll fold it to the wrong side. Then now I'll fold again to the other side. I'll fold it again. As you can see, as if I'm making a peplum. So now you can see my fabric is already folded into 4, as you can see. Now I'll take my tape rule. Make sure your fabric is properly arranged and well laid. So now I'll take my tape rule and I'll measure for this end. I'll measure from this end 6 inches. As you can see, 6 inches. I'll measure out, marking with my chalk. 6 inches all round, as you can see. And I'll mark it out. Then I'll cut out. So now guys, after cutting out, I'll make another fold and cut the same thing again. I'll make a second cut just the way I cut out this first cone. I'll make another fold. And I'll place the first one on top of the, I'll place it on top and cut out. Now guys, after cutting out, I'll take the first one and I'll keep the other one aside. I will take my tape rule, my measuring tape, and measure out about 3 inches from the middle of the cone. As you can see, from the middle of the peplum or cone, I'll measure 3 inches all round. I'll mark it out and cut. So after cutting, I'll open up the first one and the second one. As you can see, I'll open it up. Then the one I cut out 3 inches from, I'll place it on top of the full cycle. As you can see, I'll place it on top of the full cycle. Make sure it's properly laid. And now I'll go to my sewing machine and sew around the edges, joining the half cycle to the full cycle. And now guys, you can see I'm through with the sewing. I'll sew the edges all around. You can see how it is. Now I'll take my tape rule and I'll measure the cycle inside. As you can see, I'll measure it all round and mark out the spots where I begin as I measure round. You can see I have about 25.5 inches. 25.5 inches. So now I'll take the remaining fabric folded into 2. I'll measure out 25.5 inch. So 25.5 divided by 2 is about 12.67 inches. So I'll measure it out on this fabric. I'll mark it out with my chalk. And I'll mark out the width, which is about 2 inches or 1.5. I will be using 2 inches. You can make do of 1.5 or even 1 inch. So now I'll cut out the measured part. So guys, I'm through with the cutting. Now I'll take this other cycle, I'll take the band and I'll join it to the middle of the cycle. You can see that part which I measured out, facing the right side with the right side. I'll go to my sewing machine and I'll sew this all round. I'll use it to cover up these edges. So guys, this is my Beret hat. You can see I'm through. After covering the edges, my cap is ready to rock. Isn't it beautiful? You can see it. This is the side view. Look how beautiful it's laying on my mannequin's head. Wow. You can see the side view, the back view is laying very well. It's very beautiful. So guys, thanks for watching today's tutorial, today's video. Please, if you are a new viewer, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye for now.